Hi, my name is Jeremy Humphreys, and on this visual byte I want to talk about the variable ND on the FS7 Mark II. Why do we need a variable ND, and what is a variable ND? I'm frequently shooting different scenes where I'm going from one light level to another. I might be going from outside to in, or vice versa, or I might be filming outside and the sun goes behind a cloud. Traditionally, we actually alter the iris. It's what's called stop pulling, something I used to do years ago when I was an assistant back at the BBC. But Sony on the Mark II have actually come out with a clever alternative to actually altering the iris. I frequently set f4 and leave it on f4. And then when I go from one area of brightness to the other, I just change the variable ND. My depth of field remains consistent, but it's the neutral density filter, as I vary it, that's actually changing the brightness levels and accommodating accordingly. On the main body of the camera, I set the ND iris switch to ND. I set the preset variable switch to variable. I need at least one on the ND wheel, and then I can control the brightness of the picture with the variable ND wheel just here. I'd also say that using the variable ND on the side of the camera is a much smoother way of changing your brightness levels on your picture than maybe the assignable dial on the front of the camera on the pistol grip.